Assalamualaikum students. Today we have the lesson 2 for week 9 and we have already started the unit 3 HCF and LCM. Today we will see that how to find the HCF. Here I have written the 3 methods to find the HCF. First one is by listing factors. This we have done in exercise 3. You already know how to find the factors of the given numbers and from them to find the HCF, the highest common factor. Now here we have the 2 more new methods, by prime factorization and by long division. Today we will see these both methods and we will find the HCF by prime factorization and by long division. So today we will start exercise 6. Question is given, find HCF of these numbers by prime factorization and long division methods. Compare your answers. First we should know that what is the prime factorization. Breaking up a number into its prime factors is called prime factorization. It means that here you see we have the question given the numbers 33, 36 and 15. These 3 numbers we will break down them in prime factors. Let's see how. 33 first you will take, and that's how you will make a ladder. And then you already know what are the prime numbers. Prime number starts from the 2, 3, the numbers which are not divisible by any number except 1 and itself. So here 33, it is not divisible by 2 because 33 is not even number. So let's start with 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3 again. Now you see you got here the 11. So 11 doesn't come in any table except itself. So 11 ones are 11. So that's how you will make the ladder for 33. Next number is given 36. And you can see the 36 is even number. So you will start from 2. 2 ones are 2 and 1 will given to this 6, and this 6 will become 16. So 2 8s are 16. Now again 2 9s are 18. Now we have the 9 here, and 9 is not divisible by 2. So let's take the next prime number, which is 3. So 3 3s are 9, and again 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3. That's how you will make the ladder for 36. Next number is 15. So for 15 you know that the 15 is odd number. So you will take 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. 15 is not divisible by 2. That's why we have started with 3. Now we have done with the making of the ladder. Now you have to write all these. These are the prime factors. You see the prime factors for 33, prime factors for 36 and prime factors for 15. Now we will write these here separately. Prime factors of 33 will be 3 multiplied by 11. So this is the method to write them. 3 multiplied by 11. We will put the multiplication sign between them. Now for 36, prime factors of 36. First 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, then 3. Here 2 is 2 times, 3 is 2 times. Next for 15, prime factors of 15. So 3 multiplied by 5. We don't need to write the 1. Okay, and the next step is to find the common factor among these. So you will find a number, find a factor which is common in these 3. So here you can see that 1 time 3 is common in all these 3 factors. So the common factor is only 3. As you can see, the 2 is appearing here, but not in here, not here. 11 comes 1 times, 5 is also 1 times. So 2 is not common, 5 is not common, 11 is not common. So only the 3 is common only one time. So common factor is 3, and this will be your HCF. By prime factorization, we have found the HCF is 3. So we will work with the same numbers, and now we will find the HCF by long division method. So we have the numbers 33, 36 and 15. So first you will take the first two numbers 33 and 36, and you know that the smaller number should be your divisor and bigger number should be your dividend. So 33 and 36. Now we have to start the division. So 33 ones are 33, and you know the subtraction, 6 minus 3 will be 3. Here 0. No need to put the 0 here. And now you can see here we got the remainder 3, which is less than 33. When we have in this division, when we get a remainder less than your divisor, here you will change your heart and you will make another heart like this. With this you will make another heart like this, and now this remainder 3 will become your divisor, and your previous divisor you will write it here in the dividend. Now we have the new divisor and new dividend. So let's divide. Let's start the division. So 3 ones are 3 minus, bring this 3 down, again 3 ones are 3. Here you got your 0 remainder. So now here you have finished this division, and you see this is your HCF, but this HCF is just between 36 and 33. Still we have left with this number 15. So you have to make another hut for the 15, and here you will write the divisor, your last divisor 3. Your last divisor or the HCF of the previous two numbers, you will write it here. So let's start the division. 3 5s are 15. Again 0 remainder, finish this division. Now the divisor, the last divisor which you are getting here will be your HCF, which is equals to 3. You will not use your quotient as the HCF. The last divisor you will use as the HCF, highest common factor of the numbers. So that's how you will do the long division method to find the HCF. Is to compare your answers. It means that with the both methods we should have the same HCF. So here with the prime factorization you can see that we get the HCF 3, and here also we get the HCF 3. So it means that we got the right answer, and with the both methods we have the same HCF. This was the prime factorization method. You will give the heading above those when you are starting to solve, first with the prime factorization and then with the long division method, and you should compare your answers. These HCF should be same with the both methods.